Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix apps are pending on your Play Store and how you can fix this up on any Android devices. So let's get started. So first thing, when you're having this trouble, which means pending issue on your Android devices, what you have to do is just follow the instructions, which are very quite simple. So first thing is you just have to open your Play Store. Okay, now from here you just have to tap on the profile icon at the top right. Now from here you just have to tap on settings. Now from here you just have to tap on general, and from here you just have to click on app download preference. You just have to select this, and there are three options: over any network, over Wi-Fi only. So you have to change this to over any network. Once after that, go for done. And now let us go back to the Play Store itself, and you have to download any apps, and most probably it will be getting successfully downloaded because there is no issue, as you can see in front of me. Now it is getting downloaded, right? So this is the first step. Most probably this will be working out, but if it's not working, then we have solution 2 and 3. Just follow the instruction. First thing is all about, you just have to tap on settings. Now from here you just have to navigate to apps. Once again you just have to select apps at the top, and you have to search for Play Store, or you can scroll down and you can get the Play Store, and there is Play Store. So you just have to select it and select storage once again, and from here you just have to click on clear data. And I would like to make you notice that no files will be completely, what I have to say is it will not be getting deleted or something. So you just have to go for it and don't worry on it. And once after that, just go back, and you have to go back once again, and you have to click on Google Play Services itself. You have to select that also, and you just have to click on storage once again, and from here you just have to click on manage storage, and from here you just have to click on clear all data. Just tap on it and go for OK. Now go back to the Play Store. You just have to open this and search for any random apps that you wanted to download and tap on install, and as you can see that the problem will be completely fixed up. So guys, as you can see, it is getting downloaded. So there was a little delay due to the internet connection, but even though it is getting downloaded right now, so this issue is completely fixed. So this is about how you can fix this up, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. We need your support to grow our channel to 100k, and the very most important thing, if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section, so we and our team will get back to you. And this is Shahin once again signing off from Get Your Tips. See you soon in the next video. Stay safe and be safe.